Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Place. Dans cette leçon, on va voir le discours rapporté en français, reported speech in French. Now, this is reported speech part 2. What's the difference between reported speech when we have sentences that are conjugated in present tense and sentences that are conjugated in passé composé? There's a difference. There's a difference. For example, let's start with this. I can say, mon père dit, j'ai faim. My father says, I am hungry. This is direct speech. Direct speech. Now, I want to report it. Reported speech. How do I report it? I join it with que because this is a normal sentence. Whenever we have normal sentences like this, declarative sentences, and you want to report them, you use que. So I say, to report this, I say, mon père dit qu'il a faim. Why qu'il a faim? Why not mon père dit que j'ai faim? Because I am reporting it. I'm saying what my father is saying. He's not the one saying it now. I am the one saying that he is hungry. I'm reporting what he said. Mon père dit qu'il a faim. So the person you use here depends on the person reporting. Mon père is saying, I am hungry. My father is saying, I am hungry. Now, I'm the one listening to my father. So I'm reporting what he's saying. My father is saying that he is hungry. Que means that. Que means that. So, you see, mon père dit qu'il a faim. That will be the correct reported form of this sentence. One more thing. This is in present tense. This is in présent de l'indicatif. What if this is in past tense, like passé composé? The story changes. So that is what we are going to look at in this lesson. What if, for example, notice this is in passé composé. This is in passé composé. This is also in passé composé. A confesser. A confesser. A confesser. This is in passé composé, while this is also in passé composé. What happens? How do we report it? There's a difference. There's a difference. So let's take the first one first. The first one. Les enfants m'ont dit, nous allons au cinéma. Les enfants m'ont dit, nous allons au cinéma. This means the children told me we are going to the market. That is, the children are going to the market. Les enfants m'ont dit, nous allons au cinéma. Now what do we do? How do we report it? Remember, this is in past tense. This is in past tense. Whenever we have the introductory part of the speech, the introductory part in past tense, this is introductory part in past tense. Remember, this is introductory part. This is the real speech that we are reporting. The real speech we are reporting is in quotation marks. The real speech we are reporting is in quotation marks. But the part which is not in quotation marks is the introductory part. Whenever we have the introductory part in past tense, présent in quotation marks changes to imparfait. Whenever we have the introductory part in past tense, présent in quotation marks changes to imparfait. You can see présent changes to imparfait. So to do that, I say les enfants m'ont dit, les enfants m'ont dit. Remember, I'm simply repeating it. Les enfants m'ont dit. Now, that's where we think. Nous allons au cinéma. How do I report that? Les enfants said, the children said, or the children, said, the children told me, we are going to the cinema. Let's say I'm the one the children told. I'm the one the children told that they are going to the cinema. So to report it, I say the children told me that they are going to the cinema because I am reporting what they said. So I will say they told me in English. They told me that they are going to the cinema. But in French, if this introductory part is in past tense, the présent here changes to imparfait. So instead of saying les enfants m'ont dit qu'ils vont We won't say qu'ils vont because this is present. We will change this to imparfait. So that becomes, les enfants m'ont dit qu'ils allaient au cinéma. Les enfants m'ont dit qu'ils allaient au cinéma. Les enfants m'ont dit qu'ils allaient au cinéma. So anytime we have the introductory part in past tense, the present in quotation marks changes to imparfait. That is the second phase of discours rapporté in French. So let's see this. Madame Grassin a soudainement crié. Soudainement means suddenly. Madame Grassin a soudainement crié, j'ai tué mon enfant. J'ai tué mon enfant means I killed my child. I won't kill my child, but it's Madame Grassin that said it. J'ai tué mon enfant. Remember, this is in passé composé. Passé composé. J'ai tué mon enfant is also in passé composé. So what happens? How do we report it? Madame Grassin shouted, I killed my child. So let's say a passerby or someone else heard when Madame Grassin shouted, and the person wants to report, Madame Grassin shouted that she killed her child. That is reported speech. In French, how do we do that? Remember, passé composé in quotation marks. Passé composé in quotation marks changes to plus que parfait whenever we have the introductory part in past tense. Whenever we have the introductory part in past tense, that is when the tense in quotation marks changes. Normally, if this were to be in present tense, we will simply use the same tense. But now that this introductory part is in past tense, tenses change. So, we repeat this. Madame Grassin a soudainement crié, soudainement crié. Madame Grassin a soudainement crié. Now, what next? What next? J'ai tué mon enfant. Note, I am the one reporting it. I am not Madame Grassin. I am just someone that heard when Madame Grassin said it. So I will say, Madame Grassin shouted that she killed, not j'ai tué now. She is elle. Crier qu'elle. Now, remember, passé composé changes to plus que parfait. And that becomes qu'elle avait tué son enfant. A child. Qu'elle avait tué son enfant. Madame Grassin a soudainement crié qu'elle avait tué son enfant. Très bien. Probably they were torturing her. She shouted. She could not endure the torture. So, let's see the third sentence. Le couturier a confessé, j'étais occupé. Désolé, j'étais occupé. J'étais occupé means I was busy. I was busy. J'étais occupé. J'étais occupé. Le couturier means the tailor or the fashion designer. Le couturier a confessé, j'étais occupé. Now, how do we report that? Let's start with le couturier. We simply repeat the introductory part. Le couturier a confessé. Le couturier a confessé. Now, remember, imparfait also changes. Imparfait also changes to plus que parfait. Why is it changing? Because the introductory part is already in past tense. Whenever the introductory part is in past tense, the tense in quotation mark changes. So imparfait changes to plus que parfait. Note it, present always changes to imparfait. Imparfait or passé composé will change to plus que parfait. While futur simple will change to conditionnel présent. So, le couturier a confessé. Remember, I am repeating, I'm reporting and repeating what the couturier said. What the couturier confessed. So, it will not be je, because I'm not the one, I'm not talking about me. It would be him, he. The couturier confessed that he was busy. So, a confessé qu'il, plus que parfait, qu'il avait été. Le couturier a confessé qu'il avait été occupé. Qu'il avait été occupé. This is plus que parfait. Plus que parfait of the verb être. Le couturier a confessé qu'il avait été occupé. Le couturier a confessé qu'il avait été occupé. Vous voyez? Whenever the introductory part is in past tense, tenses in quotation marks will change. So remember, it is that sentence in quotation mark that we are actually reporting. So that is why they will change, because we are reporting them. So, ma femme a dit, tu seras riche un jour. Amen. Ma femme a dit, tu seras riche un jour. Tu seras riche un jour. Ma femme a dit, tu seras riche un jour. Remember, this is future simple. Future simple. So we are at this point. Future simple will change to conditionnel présent when we start the reporting. So, ma femme a dit, remember this is in past tense. Ma femme a dit, ma femme a dit, ma femme a dit. The normal que that we put. Ma femme a dit. Now remember, I am the one reporting. It is not you again. My wife, this is my wife. My wife said that I will be rich. I am reporting it. Okay, this is how she said this. My wife said, you will be rich. She was telling me, you will be rich one day. Now I'm reporting what my wife said. My wife said that I will be rich one day. So these two will become je. Ma femme a dit que je. Futur simple will change to conditionnel présent. So that becomes ma femme a dit que je serai. Ma femme a dit que je serai riche un jour. Ma femme a dit que je serai riche un jour. Amen. Je serai riche un jour. Très bien. So always notice that whenever we have the introductory part of the sentences in past tense, this could be imparfait, passé composé. Once the introductory part is in past tense, this introductory part is in past tense. Note that the tense in quotation marks will have to change. And here is the format. Très bien. On est arrivé à la fin de cette leçon et on se verra dans la prochaine classe. Merci et à la prochaine.